Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 would like to present assignment from Chapter 7 Part 1 Trend Index Question P3.5 page 129 from book by Jaggles. Our group members consist of myself, Inayatun Nur binti Ahmad, then followed by Nur Asila Awatif binti Abdul Latif, Nurin Zahin binti Mazli, and lastly Nabila Syamimi binti Abdul Halim. The information given in this question is the sales revenue, food cost of sales, and guests served for a small fast food carry-out division of a restaurant for the past 6 months. Question A. Calculate average check and average cost of sales food for each of the 6 months. By using the formula, sales revenue divided by the number of guests will get an average check. For example, taking sales revenue from the first month, 258,200, then dividing by the number of guests served from the first month, 10,200, and we will get the average check answer, which is 25.31. Then, to get the average cost of food sale, we need to use the formula net food cost divided by the number of guests. For example, the cost of food sale from the first month, 96,200 divided by the number of guests of the first month, which is 10,200. The answer to the average cost of food sales of the first month is 9.43. Then we can continue the calculation using the same formula for the next month. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Asila Awatif and I will continue to give the solution for question B. Using this average, we need to calculate a trend index number. Set the trend index for month 1 at 100% and complete trend index numbers for the remaining 5 months. So, the method we use is subsequent period divided by base period and times by 100, and it will get the trend index. So, for the example, let's take a look at the table of the first month. In order to find trend index average checks, we need to divide the average checks in second month with average checks in first month. So, 26.42 divided by 25.31 and times with 100, then we will get 104.38 for the trend index average checks. Next, for the trend index average sales, we take from the second month of the average cost of sales food from the second month 10.03 divided by average cost of sale food from first month 9.43 and times with 100, then we will get 106.36. Then you can continue for the rest of month using the same method. There is this answer for the question B.
Then, for the next question, with the index number identified, convert sale revenue and cost of sale food from historic to current dollar. For this question, we use the formula which is index number for current period divided by index number for historic period and multiply with historic dollar, and it will get the current dollar. For current sale, in first month, the current sale is the same amount of sale revenue. Then, for the second month, to get the current sale, take trend index average check, which is 104.38, divide by 100 and multiply with the second month sale revenue, which is $274,800. It will get $286,836.24 for current sale. Then, the following month, use the same method depending on the month. Next, for current cost of sale food, use the same method also, which is index number for current period divided by index number for historic period and multiply with historic and it will get current dollar. For the first month, it is also same like current sale, which is take the current cost at cost of sale food. Then, for the second month, to get the current cost of sale food, take trend index average sale, which is 106.36 divided by 100 and multiply with second month cost of sale food, which is $4,300. Then you will get 110,933.48 for current cost of sale food. After that, the following month, use the same method depending on the month.
Good evening, I'm Nurin Zahin and I will give the answer for question D, which is the comment on the results. So, when the average check is bigger, the total sales will go larger because the average check has been identified as the average sale per person, which helps to understand the value of the customer. The more orders that have been placed by the guests, the bigger the average check that the restaurant will get. Average cost sales will analyze the average cost per guest. Hence, the calculation of trend index will analyze the amount of percentage change of the average check and average cost of sale per guest. It is basic in calculating inflation rate. The change of amount of sales revenue and cost of sales represents the current dollar value at 6 months after considering the inflation.
Thank you for watching.